Hi friends, this is Rajanikanth, Excel Guru, and here I'm going to share a solution which I already posted in a WhatsApp group, that how to extract only two word names with by using Power Query. Okay, so it's very easy. It's not that much complicated. It's very easy, but you have to think in what way we have to bring only two words as output, right? So here I converted this into a table, and now I'm going to taking this data to Power Query editor. Okay. Already there on table or range. Yes. I'm removing null. Okay, I'm removing only null because I don't want null. Okay. I want only those names which is having a text. Right. Here it's very, very easy. No need to think a lot. And here I rename. Wait a minute. F2 values. I'll keep here values. Values. Okay. Now, these are the steps. Whatever we apply here, it will show here. And whenever we want, you can go to wherever you need, like change type, values, like this. Okay. Now, what I'm doing means I am adding a custom column over here by going add column tab. Here you find custom column. And here you have to write one thing, that is two words. Okay, whatever you need, you can type over there. It's not a big thing. Now, it's very, very important, guys. Just observe what I'm going to show you the solution. Whatever the functions we need a text function. Okay, whatever it may be, text function. And what we need for that, it should be a length. Okay, length of the characters. We need length of the characters. For that, what you need text LE. That's it. Will get pop up. Just use tab, open parenthesis. Okay, and type name, close parenthesis. So it will give you the how many characters are there in that name column. Okay, in name column, it will count how many characters are there, including this space. So we have to remove that space, right? Then only you can able to get the proper answer. So here what I'll do, I minus, observe here, what I'm going to show you means text dot length, same, open parenthesis, what will replace, text dot replace, here it, text dot replace, what you want to replace, from where you, first of all, from where you want to replace from here, and what you want to replace this space, and what you want to keep instead of space, blank string. Yes. Okay. So what it will do, it will take the whole count of the length and minus without space. Okay. Take the whole length of the characters and minus without the length of the characters. Means space will go off. Here space will not there. Okay. Let's try. What will be the answer? It's very easy. See, 1 and here 0, here 1, here 2, and we need here 2, 1, 0, all those things. We need to pick it out only the 1. Select all, keep 1. Okay, we don't need these words now. Just remove these words by right-clicking on the column, and here it is. Just what you'll do, go to Home tab, close and load to where you want to load as a table. Existing worksheet, here it is. Here or here, wherever you want. Okay, and click OK. It will extract only 2 words. See, if you want, you can observe that all 2 words are there. Okay, understood what I mean to say. Here, I will add something. Let's check it out whether it's working perfectly or not. That is Excel space guru. Okay, without any space or nothing. Now, it will not change update like formulas. You have to refresh by using Control Alt F5. Here it is. And for count, simply use is equal to counter, close parenthesis, enter. Total 9 hours. Okay, it's very easy. And have please like, share, and subscribe. Nowadays, I'm using only 2 things, that is Excel 2010 functions and Power Query. These 2 things. Because everyone is asking, why don't you use Power Query, Power Query, Power Query? Power Query is a damn easy. Okay, it's very, very easy. Whatever the text functions you need, if you type text, then it will pop up what are the things you need. Just select those functions and use tab. Then it will come to the function. It's very, very, very easy. Okay, for that reason, I don't want to use, but by my subscribers' demand, I'm using Power Query. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Please kindly share my video with everyone. Jai Shri Ram.